this is Sarah from Max Reviews, and today we are reviewing the DJI OM5. The DJI OM5 is a compact and featured-packed smartphone gimbal that's perfect for those looking to up their mobile videography game. With its sleek design and lightweight build, it's incredibly portable, fitting easily into a bag or even a large pocket. Despite its small size, the OM5 delivers incredibly smooth footage thanks to its 3-axis stabilization, which helps eliminate shakiness and keeps your shot steady even during movement. One of the standout features is its built-in extension rod, which allows you to get more creative with your shots by capturing higher or wider angles. This is a major upgrade over previous models, giving you a selfie stick-like feature while still providing gimbal stabilization for smooth footage. The Active Track 4 feature is another highlight, enabling the gimbal to automatically follow a subject with ease, whether you're filming a moving subject or capturing a solo shot. This feature ensures you stay focused and steady throughout the entire process. Additionally, the OM5 has several built-in creative modes like dynamic zoom, time-lapse, and spin shot, offering various ways to enhance your content. Setting up the DJI OM5 is a breeze with its magnetic phone clamp, making it quick to attach and remove your phone. The gimbal is compatible with most modern smartphones, and the app integration provides even more control over settings, giving users a full suite of editing and filming tools. Battery life is solid, providing up to 6 hours of use on full charge, which is great for long shots. The ergonomic design ensures it's comfortable to hold during extended sessions without causing strain. Overall, the DJI OM5 is a fantastic portable gimbal for smartphone filmmakers, offering superb stabilization, easy of use, and innovative features that will elevate your mobile videography.